Imagine a world where polymers, used in everything from packaging to tech, stay in circulation, drastically reducing waste. Today, consumers are demanding more sustainable products, and investors are backing companies with strong environmental and social goals. The pressure is on, and the polymer industry is at a critical turning point. In this video, we'll explore powerful tools and strategies that can help polymer companies lead the way in the shift toward a circular economy, reducing waste and staying competitive. Stick around to the end. We'll share key certifications and actionable insights that every forward-thinking company should know. In today's crowded marketplace, sustainability certifications can help your company stand out from the competition and demonstrate your commitment to environmental responsibility. Choosing the right certifications for your company depends on your specific products, target markets, and sustainability goals. ISCC Plus is a globally recognized certification system for sustainable bio-based and recycled raw materials. It covers the entire supply chain, from feedstock production to final product, ensuring traceability and sustainability throughout. Cradle Certified is a product certification program that assesses products based on 5 categories: material health, product circularity, clean air and climate protection, water and soil stewardship, and social fairness. This holistic approach ensures that certified products are designed for circularity and meet high standards of environmental and social responsibility. UL GREENGUARD is a certification program that focuses on indoor air quality. It certifies products and materials that meet stringent emission standards for volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can have negative impacts on human health. When selecting certifications, it's essential to carefully consider the specific criteria, costs, and benefits of each program and choose those that align with your company's sustainability goals and target markets. Section 3. From Waste to Resource, Implementing Circular Economy Principles. The circular economy presents a compelling alternative to the traditional linear model of take, make, dispose. By keeping materials in use for as long as possible and designing out waste, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future for the polymer industry. Implementing circular economy principles requires a fundamental shift in thinking, from viewing waste as a problem to seeing it as a valuable resource. One key aspect of the circular economy is designing products for durability, repairability, and recyclability. By creating products that are built to last, easy to repair, and can be easily disassembled and recycled at the end of their useful life, we can extend the life cycle of materials and reduce the need for virgin resources. Chemical recycling, which uses chemical processes to break down plastic waste into its molecular building blocks, offers promising solutions for recycling more complex plastics and creating higher value recycled materials. Section 4. Communicating your sustainability journey, transparency and storytelling. In today's transparent world, consumers are demanding greater accountability from companies, wanting to know not just what products are made of, but also how they are made and what impact they have on the environment. Communicating your sustainability journey in a clear, authentic, and engaging way is essential for building trust with stakeholders and showcasing your commitment to responsible practices. Transparency is key. Consumers are savvy and can spot greenwashing from a mile away. Be honest about your challenges and don't be afraid to admit where you're still working to improve. A notable example of transparency in supporting the circular economy that led to positive outcomes is Patagonia's Worn Wear program. Patagonia's 2013 Worn Wear program extends product life by repairing and reselling traded-in clothing for store credit. Patagonia transparently communicates the program's goals, processes, and outcomes to consumers, reinforcing the brand's dedication to reducing waste and supporting a circular economy. Share your sustainability goals, report on your progress, and be open to feedback from stakeholders. Storytelling is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience on an emotional level. Use real-life examples, case studies, and employee testimonials to bring your sustainability initiatives to life and demonstrate the positive impact of your efforts. By communicating your sustainability journey transparently and authentically, you can build trust with stakeholders, enhance your brand reputation, and inspire others to join you on the path towards a more sustainable future. Collaboration across the value chain is essential for creating effective circular economy solutions. By working together, polymer producers, converters, brand owners, waste managers, and recyclers can create closed-loop systems that keep materials in circulation and minimize waste. No single company has all the answers, but by working together, we can leverage our collective knowledge, resources, and expertise to accelerate the transition to a circular economy. One standout example of industrial collaboration for sustainability with significant impact is the Alliance to End Plastic Waste, AEPW. Formed in 2019, the AEPW is a coalition of nearly 50 global companies from across the plastics value chain, including major polymer producers like BASF, Dow, ExxonMobil, and Shell. Through partnerships with recycling companies, AEPW is advancing closed-loop systems for plastics, where waste plastics are collected, processed, and reintegrated into the production of new products. By pooling resources and working collaboratively, companies can overcome barriers to entry for new technologies, share the risks and costs of research and development, and achieve greater scale and impact with their sustainability initiatives. Collaborations with NGOs and research institutions can provide valuable insights, expertise, and credibility. NGOs often have a deep understanding of specific environmental issues and can offer valuable perspectives on how to address them. Research institutions can contribute scientific expertise, data analysis, and access to cutting-edge technologies. By embracing collaboration and partnerships, we can create a powerful force for change, accelerating the transition to a circular economy for polymers and creating a more sustainable future for all. Section 6. Embracing a future of sustainable polymers. The journey towards a sustainable future for the polymer industry is well underway, but there is still much work to be done. By embracing circular economy principles, adopting innovative technologies, and collaborating across the value chain, we can create a future where polymers are produced and used in a way that benefits both people and the planet. This is not a distant vision, it's a future we can create together, starting today. Let's work together to build a more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous future for all.